Hi guys, this is Miss T. I am interning at CSU Pueblo. So in my education classes, we are required to do fieldwork hours, but since we were unable to do that, we are making videos, me and my peers. I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you guys are staying safe. So the lesson that I'm going to be teaching you guys today is actually called Dice and Addition. So you're going to need a few materials in this lesson. So one of the materials you're going to need is a pair of dice. You're also going to need a whiteboard and a marker, and you're also going to need snap cubes, but since I am not in the classroom, I don't have snap cubes, so I went and improvised and I got some Cheerios, and you could also do this at your house. So we're going to go over the lesson a little bit. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab our first pair of dice, and we are going to roll it and see what number we get. So here I go. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, so the first number I got was a 3. So what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to grab my marker and write the number 3 down on my whiteboard, just like this. And remember, we're going to make this into an equation, so make sure you have enough room. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my second cube, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to go shake, shake, shake. And this time I got a 4. So we're going to end up finishing our equation by putting plus 4 equals, just like this. But we don't know our solution yet, so what we're going to do is we're going to use our Cheerios to help us find our solution. So for the first one we got a 3, so we're going to grab 3 Cheerios. So 1, 2, 3. And our next number that we got was a 4. So we're going to grab 4 Cheerios. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to find our equation by putting all of the Cheerios together, and we're going to count them and find our solution. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer to this equation is 7. And this is what our equation is going to look like. So I'm going to do this with you guys one more time to make sure you have the hang of it. So the first step that we are going to do is put all our Cheerios back together. And we're going to start by step 1, grabbing our first pair of dice. So we're going to shake, shake, shake. So we got a 1. So we're going to write number 1 down on our whiteboard, just like this. And then we're going to grab our second pair of dice, and we're going to shake, 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 shake. And we also got a 1 again. So we're going to finish up our equation by putting plus 1 equals, just like this. And then we're going to check our work by using our Cheerios again. So the first one that we got was a 1. So we're going to grab 1 Cheerio. Our second number was a 2, or a 1. So we're going to grab 1 Cheerio, and then we're going to put the Cheerios together and we'll count them. 1, 2, so we know that our answer is 2. Alright, so now that we're at the end of our lesson, I'm going to go over a few math talk questions to make sure that we understood the lesson. So the first question I'm going to ask you guys is, what strategy did we use to get our solution? So the strategy that we used was we used Cheerios. So the Cheerios helped us learn how to add and made sure that we were able to check our work. The second question I'm going to ask you guys is, what are some other strategies we can learn about how to add rather than using snap cubes? So that is basically what we did in this lesson. Because we weren't able to access snap cubes, we were actually able to find something in our house to learn how to add. So in this case, we used Cheerios. So this is the end of my lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys are social distancing. Have a good one.